Welcome. MOULD SOS is a series of videos designed to help you with concerns about mould in your home or place of work. It's everything you need to understand about mould. My name is Adam Jankowski. I'm the Managing Director of the Restoration Academy UK. We supply independent consultancy and training, primarily to those in the fire and flood and insurance repair industry in the UK. For example, one of the subjects I teach is applied microbial remediation. As a mould remediation consultancy, I get many calls from concerned homeowners and tenants about mould in their homes. Some are simply fed up with the mould and just want it gone. But many describe health problems which they attribute to mould. For some people, mould is just a nuisance and has no obvious impact on their health. For others, it is a serious health issue. Many of those calling me have been to see specialist doctors, functional medicine practitioners or nutritionists. They have had their blood work screened where the tests identify elevated levels of mycotoxins, that's toxins specific to fungi, and now concerned about the presence or possible presence of mould in their homes. There is a lot of information available on the internet about mould and what to do about it. Some good, some not so good. The reality is that it's complicated, and unless you are an educated consumer on this matter, you could be doing more harm than good in the way that you are dealing with mould in your home. We hope that our MOULD SOS series will help you to cut through the noise and misinformation about mould, and I invite you to subscribe to our channel. It's free. MOULD SOS will cover the big four questions. What is mould? Why is it growing in my home? How to get rid of it? How to stop it from coming back? Over this series we will discuss: is mould a hazard to human health, or is that just nonsense? The triggers for mould growth, and why does it keep coming back? Who should be removing your mould contamination? And how should it be done to avoid spreading it? How bad is the mould problem? Can it be quantified? Do treatments like chlorine bleach and fogging work? What you should do when your property gets damaged by water, that's leaking pipes or appliances, damp or condensation. Insurance and contractor attitudes to mould. Tenant and landlord issues. And how we can help. If you feel that you need a mould survey and you want to contact us, we recommend that you watch the videos first. They may be enough to help yourselves. Surveys do not have to be expensive, but mould sampling can escalate costs. The secret to having a home free of mould is to have a dry home. If you have mould growing anywhere in your home is not as dry as you think it is. This will be covered in another episode of the series. Look for the links. Thank you for watching.